Nikon Z FC, is it worth the extra money you'll spend? /N. You're considering buying a mirrorless camera and you've come across the Nikon Z FC. This camera has gained a lot of attention in recent times, but is it worth the extra money? In this video, I'll dive into its features, price, and what makes it stand out from other cameras on the market. For the best price, click the link in the description. As a photographer myself, I've always been drawn to the Nikon brand. Their reputation for producing high-quality lenses and cameras is unmatched. However, with the Z FC, they've taken a bold step into the world of mirrorless cameras. But here's what surprised me: it's not just about the technical specifications. It's also about style. The Nikon Z FC has a unique retro design that sets it apart from other mirrorless cameras. Its compact body and ergonomic grip make it perfect for street photography, travel, or even vlogging. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that's both functional and fashionable, the Z FC might be the one for you. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive deeper into its features to see what makes this camera so special. The Nikon Z FC boasts an impressive 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is perfect for capturing high-quality images in various lighting conditions. Its EXPED6 image processing engine ensures fast and accurate autofocus, allowing you to capture even the most fleeting moments with ease. One of its standout features is its vari-angle touchscreen LCD monitor, making it easy to compose shots from any angle. This feature alone makes it perfect for vloggers or content creators who need to film from different perspectives. But here's a question: what about its video capabilities? With 4K resolution at 30p and 1080p at 120 fps, the Z FC is more than capable of capturing stunning footage. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can handle both stills and videos with ease, look no further. Now, let's talk about its connectivity options. The Nikon Z FC features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to transfer files between devices or shoot remotely using the Nikon SnapBridge app. This feature is perfect for those who want to stay connected and share their work in real time. With all these impressive features, you might be wondering what makes this camera worth the extra money. Stay tuned to find out. The Z FC also comes with a range of accessories, including a 16-50 VR lens, which is perfect for everyday photography. This kit gives you everything you need to get started and takes the guesswork out of choosing the right lenses for your needs. One thing that caught my attention was its battery life. With up to 300 shots per charge, it's more than sufficient for a day's shoot. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can keep up with your demanding schedule, this one's got you covered. But here's the thing: what about compatibility? Will it work seamlessly with other Nikon lenses or adapters? The good news is that the Z FC uses Nikon's Z mount, making it compatible with all their Z series lenses. Therefore, if you already have a collection of Nikon lenses, you can continue to use them without any issues. We've discussed its impressive features and design, but what about its price tag? Is it worth the extra money? Now let's talk about the price. At $997 body only, it might seem like an investment. However, considering all the features and accessories included, it's actually quite competitive in the market. One thing that sets the Z FC apart from other cameras is its retro design and compact body. It's perfect for those who want a camera that's both stylish and functional. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that stands out from the crowd, this one might be worth considering. But don't just take my word for it, let's compare it to some of its competitors in the market. We've discussed its features, price, and compatibility, but what about its overall performance? Is it worth the extra money? Now, let's talk about the performance. With an impressive 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor and EXPED6 image processing engine, this camera delivers exceptional image quality. Its vari-angle touchscreen LCD monitor makes it easy to compose shots from any angle. One thing that impressed me was its autofocus capabilities. With advanced features like eye detection and subject tracking, you can capture even the most fleeting moments with ease. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that's both fast and accurate, this one might be worth considering. We've discussed its performance, price, and compatibility, but what about its video capabilities? Is it worth the extra money? Now let's talk about the video features. With 4K resolution at 30p and 1080p at 120 fps, the Z FC is more than capable of capturing stunning footage. Its vari-angle touchscreen LCD monitor makes it easy to compose shots from any angle. One thing that caught my attention was its battery life. With up to 300 shots per charge, it's more than sufficient for a day's shoot. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can keep up with your demanding schedule, this one's got you covered. Conclusion: so is the Nikon Z FC worth the extra money? Considering all its impressive features, price, and compatibility, I'd say it's definitely worth considering. If you're in the market for a new camera and are looking for something that delivers exceptional image quality and video capabilities, look no further. With its retro design and compact body, this camera stands out from the crowd. For those who want to get their hands on the Nikon Z FC, I've got some good news. It's available on Amazon for $997 body only. However, if you act fast, you can get an additional 10% off your purchase. For the best price and deal, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and comparisons.